all on top of itself, we can see that this is much more broken up, or at least it is a fair bit more broken up. We can play around with more to kind of emphasize this, but you know, something like this can at least kind of help break it up a bit more and kind of match what we're after. So right now we have this big smoke explosion that blasts out. Now let's look at the next step. Let's look at creating the actual explosion itself. And rather than doing that through here, what we can do is we can use an explode daemon, and that's set up to kind of allow you to over time animate an additional distribution of a color. So we're going to go to helpers, then down to Afterburn daemons, click on the explode daemon, and just drag this down to the top viewport or wherever you want. Now we need to add this in just like we added the particle system, we added the light. I'm just going to click and add it into the list here. And we need to access the interface inside of Afterburn 4 down actually at the top. Yeah, so if we click on explode, yeah, it applies here. So here we can adjust the settings, or we can do it in the modify panel. So first of all, if I were to render out a frame, it's going to look kind of odd because it's going to superimpose white over our explosion. So it's even self-shadowing. It's taking that time to calculate the shadows, but we're not actually seeing them. So the next step is that we need to let's just click on this. I'm going to right click, or I'm going to click on it here, and I'm just going to make the colors. If I were to make this black, then what's going to happen